Okay, hello, it's Susan, and I'm going to be doing either a bloom or a modified bloom. Depends on how the bloom turns out. I might modify it. So I'm going to start with the white base. One more. I think. If you noticed, I put cardboard around the outside of my spinner to catch any drips that might go flying. I just taped it to the edge of my spinner, my Lazy Susan. I think this Lazy Susan is a little bit, off kilter here. Alright, so I'm going to start with Paynes Grey, and this is Amsterdam Paynes Grey. Just so you know, these cups here that I'm using and these spoons are on my Amazon shop. In case you want to purchase them, the link to my Amazon shop is underneath my video. I think I'm going to put I'm going to use up the rest of this, so yeah, there's a few things I use in my videos. They're in my Amazon shop. Like those spoons, those cups. I've got silicone cups also. I'll show you them. And they're great for when you're making a little bit more paint, and they've got a little spout on them. There. And when you're done painting the paint, you let it dry inside and the paint peels right out. A few other things. These spoons that I use once in a while. They're also on there. Okay, I have glass Lazy Susans on there as well. Not this. Yeah, I have a wooden one too, I believe. Lazy Susan for the when you want to spin your bloom. Okay, so next is Pearl X Gray Lavender. Also, my recipe for this will be in the description below my video. Okay, that one's done too. So next is this little Piggy tail feather. hopefully this is the end of all my leftover paints. And then I could start fresh with some new colors. Now I'm using Silver by, it's Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. It's their silver. I won't be using all of this because there's a lot in here. Now I have some ultramarine blue, and this is Liquitex. Using up the rest of this as well. After this, I have a big cleanup. I've got a lot of these that I have to clean. Actually, what I do is I let the paint dry in here, and then it peels out as well. And the paint comes off these very easy too. Okay, so now my cell activator. Starting to go off the edge here. Okay, just trying to make it all even. Paint over. Okay. Oh, you know what? I'm not going to blow. I am going to use my Yeho. Oh, cell activator. Okay. Give it a bit of a stir. Before it sinks, I'm going to blow it. that was a mistake. I put a little cup on the end of it, like this, thinking that I could get the air to flow more central, and it did not work. As you can see, I took it off, and much better. Well, okay. Okay, I don't think this is going to be a modified bloom. I think this is going to be a bloom. There's too much paint on here now, so I'm just going to spin it. Oh, this is quite cool looking. Oh, I think I like it. Just a few more spins. Oh, I think that's it. I don't think I need to spin anymore. Otherwise, it's going to look pretty crazy. I know they're skinny, very thin lacing, but some of my paints might be a little thin, and my cell activator is a few days old, so, and it could be a little thin. I'm not really positive. All right. I don't mind this at all. I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. There we go. I think it's quite cool. A lot of lacing going on here. I like the Paynes Grey. Looks very cool. It's a little on the dark side, but don't mind it at all. I'm wondering if I should spin it some more to make it a little bit brighter. What do you think? Oh, what the heck. There, it's a little bit lighter. Still cool. Still very cool. There you go.